Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to go about enabling the dark mode theme on the Gmail mobile app on your iOS or Android device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is select the three-line hamburger icon at the top left, and then you want to go down and select where it says settings near the bottom. Select the general settings button. And now where it says theme, go ahead and select that. You can select light, dark, or just the system defaults. Whatever your phone's theme is going to be what Gmail displays as. But if you want to select dark, go ahead and select dark, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.